Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install DaVinci Resolve for your computer. How you can do it, just simply open any of your favorite browser and simply come for the search option and simply search for DaVinci Resolve. You can see the suggestion, you can simply click on that, and after you can simply get this website, Black Magic Design. Click on the DaVinci Resolve 20. If you click on that, you're going to come over into this website. And now if you scroll down a little bit, you're going to find out these two options. Right now with the latest version called the DaVinci Resolve 20, all the download process is same. So now if you click on the DaVinci Resolve for free download now, if you click on that, you're going to come over with these two options called the DaVinci Resolve 20 and the DaVinci Resolve Studio 20. So the DaVinci Resolve 20 is paid one. You need to go for the DaVinci Resolve 20 if you want to download the free one. And simply click on Windows x86. After they will redirect you to a form. Here you have to give your details. So you have to fill all the information over here and then simply click on register and download. And it will going to give you the zip folder. So you can see the download has been started. You can see it's about 2.8 GB, so it will take some minutes to complete. For that, you need to give patience. And you can see the zip folder is downloaded. And now we're going to click on this folder icon. It will automatically redirect to where the zip folder is downloaded. So we will going to select it. And simply click on extract all. And if I just want to extract it onto another folder or another drive, I can simply go for it and click next. And you can see the copy is completed. And now here we get DaVinci 20.3 for Windows application. So if I just click on it 2 times to install and simply minimize all the background tab, and you can see it's extracting. After complete the extracting, it will come up with this DaVinci Resolve installer options. And here you need to make it as default and simply click install. It will going to download some files that are needed to proceed the installation of DaVinci Resolve, so you don't need to be worried about anything. And now we get DaVinci Resolve setup wizard. We can simply click next and check I accept the terms in the license agreement. Click next. And if you just want to change the file location, you can simply do that. We're going to click on this below icon and then going to select the D drive and simply click OK and next and install. It will going to install DaVinci Resolve for my computer. You can see. So you can see completed the DaVinci Resolve setup wizard. Now it's completed. We can simply click on finish. And it's showing a message called installation complete and simply click OK. And here is our DaVinci Resolve shortcut. We can simply click on it for the first time in our computer. And we can see that we can get some information about what's new in DaVinci Resolve 20.2. Simply click continue. And if you look for the quick setup, you can simply go for it. But I'm going to click on skip and start right now. And you can see that DaVinci Resolve is loading in our computer. I'm going to allow, and as you can see that our DaVinci Resolve is slightly open in our computer. So this is how we can simply download and install DaVinci Resolve in your computer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for other videos. Till then, goodbye.